folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here with the JA Roby Gemini cook stove, and I am super excited to do a feature for this stove for you guys today. Honestly, I had a chance to look it over last night, do some unpacking, and this is a very unique cook stove. It's really quite different than anything else I've ever seen on the market, and so I'm going to talk to you guys about it today and point out some of these features. First thing is going to be inside the oven and the way that the oven is heated. So this is a top vent oven. It's pretty nice that the oven is nice and tall up here so you don't have to bend over. Your firebox is not really any lower than a standard wood stove, so that's pretty nice on a stacked model. So you don't have to bend over too far to load your wood. Now the oven is vented up here. There is a top little wheel that spins, and then this cap sits here. So this cap is going to help direct that convection heat off the stove. Now inside the baking oven, it is going to be a stainless steel lined baking oven. It comes with 3 levels to place your oven racks, and then it comes standard with 2 racks. You can order an additional oven rack if you would like to have one for the 3rd rack. The chimney pipe is actually located inside the baking oven. So it starts right here on the top of the firebox at the bottom, and so you don't actually have the smoke flowing around the sides of the oven like you would see on a traditional cook stove. And this is also fully EPA approved, so that's something else I want to point out. But because that smoke isn't circulating around, you're not going to really have to clean out your oven like you would with other stacked models. So that's a pretty nice feature. I'm super excited to get this fired up and burn it. Lots of cool things on it though. It's obviously a beast of a cook stove. It's massive, it's huge, but it also doesn't really take up that big of a footprint. It's about 28 inches wide, just shy of 36 inches on the total depth, because there's a blower cabinet and a heat shield that attaches to the rear of the stove, and then we're sitting at almost 55 inches on the height here. So it is quite large, it's heavy, well made. JA Roby comes with the limited lifetime warranty. It's going to be a 6-inch top vent flue. It does have the outside air kit available as well. Overall, it's going to have inside your firebox, it is a fully lined brick firebox, and you're going to have a nice thick gasketing on the top. You do have the nice standard air wash. JA Roby is known to have really nice clean burning glass doors, so that of course is not going to be an issue. And then your damper control is also located right here on the bottom of the stove. So this is going to be your damper control for the primary function of your firebox. The damper control on the top of the stove is what's going to let the heat out of the oven, which will also push more heat into the room itself. I really hope that you guys find these product overviews helpful. If you guys like these videos, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.